Hello everyone, welcome to second tutorial of Python socket programming. I am Tuya. This tutorial series is for Hectolizer team. Today's scenario, what we will do today, we'll create a UDP server and then we'll create a UDP client with Python and we'll send data between the server and client. This is simple. Let's do this. Okay, here's my server Windows machine with IP address 192.168.0.103, and here's my client Kali Linux 192.168.0.105 IP address. Okay, let me open the Python shell. Okay, first we need to import socket library, socket module, socket, and then we need to use socket method, my sock, just give a variable socket.af underscore inet for IP version 4 socket.socks. Now this time we are not using stream because we are not trying to make a UDP server, so we are using dgrim. Okay, so you can also go to official document. Okay, come on. Okay, like socket. Here's you can use dgrim. Okay, now we need to use a socket.bind the IP address and port number. Okay, now my sock.bind 192.168.0.103 and port number 1337. Okay, now we are receiving some data from the client. We use the method called receive from. Okay, receive from method. It needs buffer size of how many data will receive. Okay, let's do this, and it's return a value pair of string and addresses. So we will put client data and addresses because it's return two value. My sock.receive from 2048 bytes. Now the server is waiting for client data, so let's go to client. Okay, let's open Python shell and put socket module within socket method. Source dgrim. Okay, and then we use the connect method. Port number 1337. Okay, and then we'll send the data to the server from the client with send to method. Okay, let's check the send to. Here's it need two arguments, the string data and the addresses. So we'll give in two argument, my sock.send to hello from client. This is the data, and here is the IP address of the server and port number. Oops. Okay, then we're sending data. Okay, print client data. Okay, hello from the client. Also we can see who sent the data. Here's the client address and the client port number. Okay, oops, now the client is receiving the connection. Let's give variable to store the data. Microsoft.receive from 2048 bytes. Okay, now let me send data from server to client. Microsoft.send to Microsoft.send to hello from server, and address is the client address. You don't need to give the whole tuple. Okay, print the data. Oops, data. Okay, here is the hello. Oh, sorry, wrong spelling. Hello from server, and the address of the server. Okay, and then we can close the socket. Okay, and okay, that's it, guys. So how about we can try to write a script file. Okay, it's we'll give some comments. Simple UDP server. Okay, and copy paste the whole line. Okay, socket line. Client data. Print the data from client. Print the address of the client. Print. Oops. Okay, it's good. And send data to the client. Close the connections. Okay. Save it into the desktop. UDP Server.py. Now UDP client.py. Put in socket. Connect method. And send the data. Receiving the data. Print the data. And close the socket. Close the socket. Simple UDP client. Okay, right, so give it to the executable permission. Okay, so first run the server. Okay, now the server is running. Okay, let me analyze with Wireshark protocol analyzer. Okay, apply a UDP port 1337 filter. Port 1337. Okay, then okay, go to the client, run the scripts. Okay, got the message from the server and got the message from the client. Okay, good. As you can see here, there is no signs, acknowledge, fin. There's no flag in UDP. So you can see here's client send data to server and server send data back to the client. Here, as you can see here in UDP header, there are only source port, destination port, and LAN and the checksum and the data. Okay, so that's it. Let's go back to slide. Here's these three methods are sent with TCP server. These two methods receive from and send to for UDP message, and socket or close is close the socket. Okay, that's all for this tutorial. If you have any questions or comment, send it to me. I hope this has been informative for you, and see you in next video. Bye.